So I've had a rough time trying to engrave on silicone. This was all done with the xTooL F1 Ultra on the diode side. And it's awful. Now, I know the laser can do it, but I'm having trouble getting the right settings. Some of these look, a couple of them look better than others, but none of them look good. But now that I have the xTooL F2 Ultra UV, I'm going to give it a try. I got a piece of scrap, and we're going to put it in there and see what we can do. We've got our piece of scrap laid in the laser bed, and we'll hop into xTooL Studio. We're in xTooL Studio, and we're processing on a flat surface. So if up here it doesn't say flat surface, click, select flat surface. And then you want to do an auto measure. It done one by itself, I guess, but do the auto measure, and that way it'll show you the thickness that you're above the base plate. And it'll focus. We're going to leave it unknown. We are going to get a text tool and just set something on here to engrave. We'll just leave it like it is. Select engrave after we close this. And we will go with 50% power and a speed of about 200 millimeters per second. One pass. We'll leave it at lines per inch for 300 and a frequency of 40. So we'll see how this works out. So we're going to click process, close the lid, start, and then we'll hit that button on the control pad. Well, I can tell you now, that's way better than anything I've ever done with a diode laser, including the D1 Pro 40 watt or the diode side of the F1 Ultra. Let's see if it wipes off. No, it does not. So yeah, that's fantastic. So all my silicone will be done with the F2 Ultra UV from now on. All right, folks, I hope that helped you out. If you have questions, let me know. I'm learning about this machine, and I'll keep sharing. So please keep coming back to check out new videos. Take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.